Hello guys, welcome to the second session of AngularJS. In this session, I'm going to discuss about data binding, how data binding works in AngularJS. But before that, we need to understand what is data binding. Data binding is a very powerful feature used in software development technologies. It acts as a bridge between the view and the business logic of application. There are two types of data binding, one-way data binding and a two-way data binding. One-way data binding is used by jQuery and the two-way data binding is used by AngularJS. How one-way data binding works? The one-way data binding is an approach where a value is taken from the data model and inserted into an HTML element. It means if you are updating your view, you have to manually update your model. And if you are updating your model, you have to manually insert the value into your view. There is no way to update model from view. It is used in classical template system. These systems bind data in only one direction. One time merge. Two-way data binding. Two-way binding is used by AngularJS. Data binding in Angular apps is the automatic synchronization of data between the model and view components. It means if you are changing your view, your model will get automatically updated. And if you are making any change in model, your view gets updated. But how it works? We have HTML templates. AngularJS compiler compiles the template in such a way where view and model can synchronize data automatically. Data binding lets you treat the model as a single source of truth in your application. The view is a projection of a model at all times. If the model is changed, the view reflects the changes and vice versa. This is called two-way data binding. Because of two-way data binding, Angular is very famous because you are changing your view, your model is automatically updating and vice versa. So let's see the example of two-way data binding. Let's start with the example. We need a HTML template. Title is two-way data binding. Copy it. We will need inside this thing. Uh, Create div, create s2, keep here. We need to add a script. Let's copy it from our last session. We also need ng app because it will only start our engine. Then for two-way data binding, we need to create one field. Let's call it first name. Okay, input field with ng model is equal to first name. Cool. Now we have to print first name. Let's p s3 first name. This expression we have already seen in our last session. There's two curly braces. Let's run it. Mark, see, you are updating your model only, but your view is updating automatically. This is the power of two-way data binding. It means whenever you are changing your model, your view is updating automatically. This is called automatic synchronization of data between model and view. Suppose if you have to perform same thing in jQuery, what what you have to do? First, you have to get the value from HTML element, then initialize the JavaScript variable, and from JavaScript variable you have to insert into HTML. But what happens if you have to insert at multiple places? You have to write unnecessary code. But in AngularJS, just copy paste this thing. See, Obama. This is two-way data binding in AngularJS. How it works? This expression, a first name inside the curly braces, this is an Angular data binding expression. It is, this expression is bound with ng model first name. That's why it is very fast. That's how AngularJS is performing two-way data binding. So this is all about two-way data binding. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share. Thank you. Thanks a lot.